Right then, it's Classic Mini time. So welcome to a lovely sunny morning here at the UPbuild headquarters. And as I said, yeah, we're going to be carrying on with our Classic Mini Mk1 Conversion, and we might have a little update on the workshop too behind us. So yeah, let's get in the shed and let's crack on. Right then, so today we're going to be back on with our Classic Mini, as we said, and we're going to be taking the Classic Mini Mk1 doors off, and what we'll do is get them all stripped down, get the frames stripped down.
That's it, and get them into
shot blasting booth, yes.
Back in the shot
blasting booth. You know what we're doing now, anyway. So we're getting the shot blasting booth. We're going to make any repairs, any sort of fabrication needed on the doors, like just completely restore them, restore all the doors, get the new handles on, and then get them completely built up and get them back on the car. And we want to get them fitting perfectly, so they fit on the car nicely, open and shut properly with all the new latches and everything. But yeah, anyway, that's it. So let's crack on. Let's get that started. What have you done there?
That's the door skin off. That's one anyway. Bit of tidying up here and there. Bit of tidying up on it.
So what we found was that there was two, a spot weld in those two locations and on the bracing for the bottom hinge, the external hinge.
It had been hinged, the hinge side of the door, to strengthen that door.
There we go. Right, anyway, we'll crack on and get this tidied up.
C'est là.
Right then, so what we've had to do is we've had to recut the repair panel, because once we'd taken the skin off and looked at the rot inside, it was further rotted than we thought it was. So as you can see, it's pretty badly rotted on the inside of the door there. So what we've done is, like I say, we've remade this repair panel, just put an extra bend in it to take it further back, and so we're going to put that on now. So we've got it all spot weld, all plugs all drilled out, ready for plug welding, and we've put a little bit of zinc primer on just between the surfaces to preserve it. There we go. Anyway, let's crack on and get that welded on. Right then, fantastic. So there's that door, pretty much all finished now, all the metal work on it. So I'll give you a quick look at how that looks. So we've completely reformed that bottom section of the door, made that new panel as you've seen, and welded it all in. Cleaned it all up with the grinder. Something nice and solid. Let's spin it over so you can see the inside. A little bit tidying up to do on the inside, just where we've made the sections on the corner. There we go. So that's a nice solid door. So what we'll do now is we'll get that on the in the shot blasting booth, and my dad will probably give that a good shot blast, you reckon, Dad?
Yeah, I'll give it a good shot blasting and get some paint on it and then get the skin on.
Yeah, right, well what we'll do is we'll paint the skin as well before we put that on with epoxy primer. So we'll do them both with epoxy primer, and then get them all built back up together, and then we'll get them on the car. So anyway, let's get the other one stripped down now and get the other one fixed, and then we'll get them sorted, get them shot blasted and painted.
That's it, we'll crack on and get the other one done now.
Get them done. Crack on.